Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your subscription on Base44. So all you need to do is launch Base44 and then make sure you are logged into your account and then press on my workspace here and then press on settings and then press on plan and billing. Once you are in plan and billing, you can see you are currently using the builder plan or any other plan, and then you press on manage plan. It will load up a new website for you. You can see cancel subscription in the top right corner as shown in the screen, and then you can see confirm cancellation, and you will see the blue button cancel subscription. You press on it again, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.